Hi, Storytime friends. This is Tammy at the Pine River Public Library, and I am here because I have a story time for our summer reading program. This story time is going to be about birds. We have the Minnesota Raptor Center coming this Thursday, June 23rd, here. Well, it's not going to be at the library this time. This one is going to be at the warehouse because the birds need a little more space than what we have here at the library. So let's see what kind of bird stories I have for you today. The first one, bird singing, bird winging. Bird up at sunrise, singing. Bird getting hungry, winging. Bird on a tree trunk, tapping. Bird on a flower, lapping. We actually see these birds quite often here, don't we? Bird in a barnyard, scratching. Do you have chickens? Bird by the river, catching. Bird in the grassland, walking. Now, I don't believe we have too many ostriches around here, do we? Bird in the playroom, talking. Bird in the ocean, diving, looking for lunch. Bird on the ice, surviving. They like it cold, don't they? Bird in the air, playing. Silly crows. Bird in the zoo, displaying. Peacocks are beautiful birds, aren't they? Bird with 4 eggs, tending. Bird with 4 chicks, defending. Bird by a mudflat, preening. Bird in a birdhouse, cleaning. Bird in late summer, waiting. Bird in the fall, migrating. Time to go south. And one more story. Bird builds a nest. Should you see what it takes to build a nest as a bird? It's a beautiful day. Bird is up early. She's got lots to do. First, she needs some breakfast. What she wants is a nice, juicy worm. Bird pulls hard, but the worm pulls back. It's a big worm, and it's strong. Too strong for Bird. This one's better. It's smaller and not as strong, and so delicious. Now Bird can get on with her work. She's not looking for worms now. She needs twigs, lots of twigs. Ooh, this one's too heavy. And so is this one. Oh, all of these would do fine. Bird can carry 1 large twig, or 2 medium-sized twigs, or 3 or 4 small twigs, although it's hard to fit that many in a beak at one time. She's building her nest. It's not quite finished though. Carefully, she pushes the twig into the side of the nest and pulls its end back out. Pushing and pulling, she gets all the twigs in place. It's kind of like an art project for them, isn't it? She works for hours, fetching and carrying, flying back and forth, pushing and pulling to create her nest bed. Sometimes she drops a twig, but it doesn't matter. She's looking for softer things now, like dried grass and feathers. They're very light. She can carry a lot of these at one time. She tucks them into place, turning around and around, pushing with her whole body. She makes a snug little cup, smooth and soft on the inside. The nest is now ready and waiting. Can you guess what her nest is waiting for? Eggs! 5 of them, actually, speckled and beautiful and getting ready to hatch. She made a little nest for her babies. Well, that is our quick little summertime story time about birds. Hopefully you will be able to come and see the birds, live birds, that we have coming at the warehouse at 10:30 this Thursday, June 23rd. Have a good day.